Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel Agri Extension SMS. Okay. So myself, Dr. Lankan Mahesh. I am from Agriculture Extension Department. Okay. Already in the last video, I explained about education, formal education, informal and non-formal education. What is the difference between formal and non-formal education? So in this video today we are going to see what are the what is mean by extension education and what is the definition of extension education, concept of extension education, what are the different principles involved in extension education, and what is the importance of extension education. Okay, chalo, today we are going to start our video right now. So what is meant by extension education, how it is depends. Before going to in deep, just a brief introduction about how it started. For example, any extension education must be to develop desirable change is essential, but this change should be correct and right direction. You can observe most of the developed countries, okay, to develop desirable changes. Already in our education definition itself is seen. So desirable changes, what the people want exactly, what they desire. For that, we have to educate the people. Then it should be correct and right direction. Okay, their desire changes. They want so many things according to their needs, interest. If we are educating them about new technologies, new innovations, new processes, new methods, then whether it is going correct or not, or whether it is right direction or not, there should be, we have to look over it. Then automatically the development is going to start if we are in correct and right direction. Then this change should be generate the scientific and technical knowledge as well as practicable. When you are going to desire, yes, the society should be changed, the people should be changed, it leads to, it generate scientific and technical knowledge as well as practicable. It should be applicable, it should be practicable, it can be usable. Then the village development program must be tailored by considering scientific and technical knowledge and practicable technical knowledge. These village development programs earlier used by USA, so what it consists means the interest and needs of the people, based on their interest and needs and their desires, the land grant candidates of USA developed one model, village development program model. Here we can see this is the village development program model. It is developed by Land Grant College of USA for the first time. What is that? Village development program model. It consists of what it is: scientific knowledge, practicable technology, and technical knowledge. Scientific knowledge, practicable technology, village development program, and technical knowledge. Here, each and everything is interlinked and correlated each other. To develop scientific knowledge, you should know technical knowledge. With the help of technical knowledge, you can gain scientific knowledge. Then when you go into scientific knowledge and technical knowledge, automatically it can be practicable. It becomes practicable technology. Then all three is going to develop for the village development programs. This model was given by Land Grant College of USA for first time. Please remember, village development program was given by Dash, and where it is started, Dash. So it is implemented by Land Grant College and it was given by USA for the first time. Later on it spread to different countries, Norway, Sweden, for different purpose. Okay, here. So this is a brief introduction about the why our extension education is needed to develop scientific and technical knowledge, practical knowledge by using those village development model. So okay, always we are using word extension education, extension education. What it is mean? How it is originated? First one is, please remember, most of the students or most of the extension people, they are going to confuse when they are going to attempt examination. Please remember, the word extension is derived from Latin word. What is it? Latin word ex meaning out, and tensio meaning is stretching. So extension word is derived from two words, that is ex meaning out and tensio meaning stretching. So extension word derived from the Latin. Please remember, not French, not Portuguese, not Rome, okay, not Greek. Derived from Latin. What those words? Ex and tensio meaning out and stretching respectively. Thus the term extension education means the type of education which is stretched out into the village and fields beyond the limits of school and colleges, to which formal type of education is normally confined. Please, stretched out into the villages and fields beyond the limits of school and colleges. There is no attendance, there is no curriculum, there is no planning, nothing. We are educating the people beyond the school system, out of the school system, or out of the formal type of education system, that is called extension education. In other words, the word extension used in the correct significance out of school system of education. Please remember, extension is out of school system of education, not in a school, not in between the four walls of the school, not there is no attendance, no start off, no marks, nothing. We are educating the people where they are available, in the villages, in the fields. Okay, likewise extension education is a out of school system of education. Please remember, my dear friends. Then what is the definition of extension? What is the definition of extension education? So extension education is the process of, please remember, it is a process, means it the number of events taking place in a series. It is not start at a point, it continues. So it is a process of teaching rural people how to live better lying. How to live better by learning. So how to live better by learning ways that improve their farm, home and community institutions. So definition of extension education is, it is the process, not program, not anything, not a project, not a program. So it is the process of what? Teaching. To whom? Rural people. For what? How to live better by learning ways that improve what? It improves farm, home and community institutions. So this is the definition of extension education. So it is the process of teaching. Extension education, process of what? Teaching, not training, not anything. It is a process of teaching. For what? To whom? Rural people. For what? How to live better by learning. By learning you can live better in a society, in a community. That is called extension education. So here the basic concept of extension is that education. Please remember, most of the examination, any competitive examination, simple word but we may confuse. Please remember, my dear friends, the basic concept of extension is education. Please remember. Okay, the basic concept of extension is education. The education is the production of desirable changes in human behavior. In the last video already we discussed what is meant by education, what is the definition of education, different forms of education. So here the education is the process of production of desirable changes in human behavior. Then here, my dear friends, here extension is providing education. The three kinds of behavioral changes products through extension educations are illustrated below. So it can change three behavioral changes: change in knowledge, change in attitude, change in skills. Change in attitude, change in knowledge and change in skills. So what those are and what we are going to develop, what are the different examples for those process, in the next video I am going to explain. For that, my dear friends, please do subscribe my channel and please like and share video. And if you have any doubts about regard this concept, please do comment what you have doubt to improve myself. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.